Hey everybody, my name is Devo. This is Devo Poker. Today, in a very special edition, we are going to restore a poker table that we got on OfferUp for $60. Can we turn this table into something beautiful? Let's find out. The thing we're going to do, Onyx, is identify what's wrong with the poker table. So we can tell that everything needs refinished, so we're going to have to sand. It's cool though. Looks like the rail pops out. So we've got that going for us. And then also, place the felt on the board here, but luckily that pops out as well. Okay, now if we look down into the base here, we'll see where they put the felt for the cup holder markers, and then we'll also see the bolts, which looks like they weren't done very well. One thing about these bolts is that they're way too long. So we're gonna have to replace those with something shorter, hopefully something that sits there flush and doesn't bang on your knees. Now that we've identified the problems, we've got to restain it, resand the whole thing, fix the bolts, refelt the tabletop, and probably gonna put new cup holders in. Yeah. We'll save them just in case we want to reuse them. Okay, so I'm gonna sand this middle part down that holds all the cup holders and stuff. But before we do that, I just wanted to mark out where the cup holders are. I think I'm gonna drill in there and then drill around it to open up those cup holders so I can just drop them in. That way they'll fit in there nice and flush. And then we'll finish sanding out the top and then we'll start staining everything and we'll put this bad boy back together. All right, day 2, it is hot in Vegas. As you can see, we got the cup holders drilled in, and now we just gotta finish sanding off this center part, and then we can start the stain, and then we can get into putting the speed cloth wrapped around that hexagon piece. Yeah. Alright, we made it to the fun part where we get to put the table back together, and my homie Boise Mike is here, which is cool because the first poker table I ever built was with this gentleman right here, all the way back in Boise, Idaho. Yeah, this is probably going to get the scotch guard like a couple of times, right?
Yeah. We got a lot of good use out of our first table.
Yeah, that was such a fun game.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
So, but yeah, I definitely like put the horse before the cart here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe the next video is going to be the one where we redo the whole garage. We really like to do shelving and then big containers and stuff like that, and then get like a floating
Epoxy the floor.
table, epoxy the floor,
Fix the cover it all up. Make
make it
like
the
nice.
ultimate poker room garage. Put some speakers in, get some pinups.
No?
No? Look at that face.
I mean, that can be one of its uses, sure.
Yeah, I'm fine with that. Also storage.
Project space, workspace, storage
Maybe I just got rid of the
space.
table, but we're pretty much done.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How exciting. Wow. Oh no, I got like some sort of scratch making it in or something.
Oh, is there scratch?
It might not be dry yet.
dry all the way.
I told you it needed like
Not dry.
days.